A factory reset erases all personal data, apps, and settings, restoring your Samsung Galaxy Tab E to its original out-of-the-box state. This process wipes the device clean, removing all user-installed apps, personal files, custom settings, and even saved passwords. Specifically, it erases personal data like photos and documents, all downloaded apps, your custom settings, and even saved credentials. However, the device's firmware remains intact. Use a factory reset when you need to fix persistent software problems, eliminate malware, get ready to sell your device, or recover access if you've forgotten your security credentials. Remember, this process cannot be undone. Always back up your important files, photos, and contacts to the cloud or an external drive before performing a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy Tab E. Before initiating a factory reset, back up all important data. This includes your photos, videos, documents, and other files. This is crucial because all data will be erased during the reset process, and recovery is generally impossible without a backup. Use Samsung Smart Switch, Google Drive, or a micro SD card to save your data. Cloud backups are increasingly common and make this process easier. If your Galaxy Tab E is functioning normally, use the Settings menu for a soft reset. Navigate to Settings, then select General Management or Personal. Choose Reset, then Factory Data Reset, and select Reset Tablet. Confirm by entering your PIN, pattern, or password if prompted. The tablet will then reboot and begin the reset process, which usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. For unresponsive devices, use Recovery Mode. First, power off the tablet. Press and hold volume up, home, and power buttons simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Release the power button, but keep holding volume up and home. Use the volume keys to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and select it with the power button. Confirm your choice. This method bypasses software locks. Before performing a factory reset on your Galaxy Tab E, ensure your device has at least 50% battery charge to prevent any interruptions during the process. Remove any external storage, such as micro SD cards. Although this is optional, it is recommended to avoid any potential issues. If Find My Mobile is enabled on your device, disable it to avoid potential remote lock issues after the reset. The home button below the screen is essential for performing the hard reset process in recovery mode. After the reset, your tablet will restart and you'll be guided through the initial setup process, just like when it was new. Be aware of factory reset protection. If your Google account was linked to the device, you'll need to verify it to regain access. This security feature prevents unauthorized use if the tablet is lost or stolen. The Samsung Galaxy Tab E is an older, discontinued model that reached end-of-life support around 2020 to 2022. As the hardware ages over 8 to 10 years, factory resets become less effective due to battery degradation and potential firmware corruption. Hardware issues like swollen batteries pushing against screens are common, and repeated resets can expose these problems. Statistics show a 35% failure rate in reset attempts for Tab E models compared to newer devices. Looking ahead, expect minimal community support and declining reset success as hardware fails. By 2030, Samsung may focus on AI-assisted diagnostics for newer models, making full resets obsolete for devices like Tab E. Consider upgrading to newer tablets like the Galaxy Tab A8 for enhanced features, better security, and improved performance. Recycling your old device through Samsung programs or certified recyclers is environmentally responsible.